Everywhere don't catch fire. No be small thing o. They say that the Nigeria Senate dey talk of the House of Assembly right now, as we dey talk na how Finland go take bring Simon Ekpa come back to Nigeria. As this one dey happen, they say that the Nigeria security don go dey protest for inside another security front o. I no go tell una where dem dey. I go show you the video. That they dey sing, we no go gree o, we no go gree o, we no go gree o. E be like say they say the army buy one of their security security inside Nigeria. They protest against security. My people, e don red for inside Nigeria. I go play una the video more una watch o, see wetin dey happen. The people wey dey champion this thing na somebody like Ifeanyi Oba, wey dey call for Simon Ekpa arrest Engineer Abarigbe and some other senators for inside the eastern region. And as that one dey happen, there's some senators still talk say make they release Nnamdi Kanu and respect the rule of law. I will play the videos. Okay, my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If it's not the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back. I'm going to play you the videos where the senators are making this comment, and we'll come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Will block the entire road, and then local vigilante will get to the scene within 3-4 minutes, and it has worked. And I believe if we use that prototype, we'll be able to nip this issue. But the most important thing is to use our international our security agencies, the diplomatic missions, to invite the ambassador of Finland to know why such a fugitive should be in their country and be giving orders to our country. It is very important that the Senate committee or an ad hoc committee should be set to invite the ambassador or invite the minister or permanent secretary of Ministry of Foreign Affairs, so that we will know the status of that fugitive in Finland. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. And then our committee on foreign affairs, please sit.
Mr. President, the Senate is worried that if the activities of Simon Ekpa, who is issuing the illegal sit-at-home order, is not checked, he may succeed in corrupting the minds of Nigerian youths and turning them against the government of Nigeria. Accordingly, the Senate resolved to condemn the sit-at-home in totality, as well as the nefarious activities of Simon Ekpa, who is the gang leader.
Prayers. Let's just hear from Senator Ndubweze, who himself is also from Imo State.
In our language, imibewe, anyebewe, that is when your nose starts crying, your eyes will also be crying. That is to say, what is happening in Imo, in Southeast, is affecting the whole Nigeria, captured by His Excellency Senator Benga Daniel. I think what we should look for is the solution. And that solution is what we'll advise the federal government to look into. We realize that the economy of the Southeast is going down, and it's affecting the GDP of the whole federation. You mentioned that you asked a question of what the governors have done. I'm from Imo State. It may interest you. I'm the only Govt for Kigwe for 30 years now. Our own governor, I know how much he has put into the security issue. Even when you are forcing people not to obey, you are even pushing them against their own lives, because these people will be killing them. And even when you are arming youths in the villages or communities, you are also training them tomorrow that they might also, when they start another thing, they use that what training you have given to them to fight the government again. So, one, what we should look into, what can bring peace to the place and to Nigeria? Just like we will look into the Northeast, what can bring peace? We can't be always voting money into these security issues, and it goes nowhere. Nigeria remains undeveloped. I will say, please, nobody is going into judicial issues that may be sub judice here. When we talk of political solution, give idea how political solution can be used. If the court have granted bail to somebody, our president, we can urge him to hide under that bail and use political solution and release that man. 1. 2, we don't need to wait for the ministers or Minister of Foreign Affairs to have been appointed and sworn in. In absence of the Minister of Foreign Affairs, somebody has been there managing our foreign affairs. We have ambassador in Finland. We have PAMSEC in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. They should come here and brief us. They know the diplomatic situation, relationship between Nigeria and Finnish country. How do we go about it? 1, if you release Nnamdi Kanu today, that problem may go down. 2, even if you cannot go, we should look forward how to bring back that Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu has spoken before that he cannot kill the people he said he wants to come and save.
Let me thank Vision. I think there is nobody who is opposed to this motion. So
My wonderful people, Shebuna don't hear them. All of their language now carry Simon. How they will take carry Simon Ekpa come back from Finland. This is their whole agenda. But the issue is that the problems in Southeast have not been solved. Why don't you people use this energy to ask them for your own railways, your own train stations in Southeast, Imo to Aba, Aba to Enugu, Enugu to Anambra, Anambra to Imo, Imo to Ebonyi State. So why can't you people ask for this particular thing in House of Representatives rather of have to bring Simon Ekpa come back? I not all say wetin una talk about though, but more na still dey tell them wetin the Southeast people still need. More na tell them to release Nnamdi Kanu immediately with no talk. Very, very important if you want solve the situation, if you want solve the problem. My people, I'm going to play you the video. May you see wetin dey happen now as we dey talk. They say that the Nigeria security, whether na police or air force or go come protest against the military, against another force for inside Nigeria. Say they be like say that they bite their men anyhow. We'll just watch the video.
It's a sad day for us because the one that led to this action is because yesterday you see the videos trending where one of our assistant director civilian was brutalized by some private soldiers in Lagos, the command secondary school in Ipaja, Lagos, and they have killed somebody already, one of our members, Comrade Richard, for some months back. 2 months ago. And we have asked the management to react, but up to today we've not seen any action. And continuously, last month, one of our civilian staff was locked in the guard room at Jaji for 1 month, over a month now. It was because we had to meet the PAMSEC that they called and he was released. And then yesterday again, this incident happened again. So it means we are endangered species in the Ministry of Defense, and that is why we have agreed in the union that all the civilian personnel should withdraw all our services in all the Ministry of Defense formations, everywhere from the headquarters to all the CPUs. So nationwide, we are withdrawing our services to the military until the Minister of Defense himself, and the CDS come here, and then we will give them our own demands. Yes. Because we are endangered now. We don't know who will be next. Richard has died. So many people have been brutalized. Too much. So we are not taking it again. We don't want to see anybody except the minister and the CDS. Yes. Because we must put a stop to this brutality and killing of our civilian staff. Then if that is the case, then there won't be need for Ministry of Defense in Nigeria. Yes. If they cannot defend or protect us, and these incidents have been occurring on decimal. See, we cannot take it again.
My wonderful people, please share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as it dey hot.